Okay guys, I don't have much time to talk because I overslept like a bitch. I have an appointment for my car in less than 15 minutes and it takes about 10-15 minutes to get there. So I am clearly in a hurry. I need to wash my hair today, but I did not have time to do that this morning. I took a body shower, but I just slicked the hair back because I did not have time. But welcome to day 8 of Vlogmas. No. I think this is day 8. I'm not 100% sure. Today I'm just gonna be doing a little day in the life. I'm gonna take you guys through whatever I end up doing today. I don't really have too much planned as of right now, but usually that changes, so hopefully we have fun. My current issue right now is the fact that I cannot wear a slick back with nothing on my face. Like I can't go barefaced in the winter. In the summer I can when I'm tan and cute, but in the winter I literally look like a corpse, and if I have my hair back I just look bald. So I'm gonna put just like a tiny bit of makeup on. All right guys, I am off. All right guys, I'm on my way. Noah's following me because I think that this is gonna be like a 2 or 3 hour appointment for my car. He's gonna like take me home basically so that I don't have to sit there and wait. This sun right now is not my friend. Sorry about the lighting, but I just kind of wanted to give you like a little information because I really just dove into this video. Basically it's 1:18 right now. My car appointment's at 1:15, so the lighting is pissing me off. I don't want to talk about this right now. Maybe I'll just wait. I guess you don't really need to know right now. I just can't with the sun. Hello guys, I am at my mom's house now. I'm in my room. It's 2:42, so it's been a little bit over an hour since I spoke to you last. Basically, I dropped my car off. I filled out some paperwork. They said that it might not be done until tomorrow, which is kind of disappointing. Disappointing, but it's okay. I can figure it out. I think I'm gonna take my mom's car right now to go to Kohl's because I want to go to Sephora and pick up this like face cleanser that I've been seeing. It's supposed to help with like blackheads and like clogged pores and like actually works, so I'm just hoping that it works. I have concealer and stuff on so you can't see my face, but I've been dealing with like some skin issues that I like haven't before, so I just feel like I need to switch something up. Also, after I left the dealership and before I got dropped off at my mom's, me and my brother stopped and I dropped off 2 packages at the post office. It's like return packages that I needed to send back, but now we're here. I'm so tired. I don't know what's going on with me. Like my sleep schedule has been so horrible, and like pulling an all-nighter, and then actually I pulled like 3 all-nighters in a row. I'm not even gonna lie. I filmed one of them, but there was like one before that, one after that. Like I don't know what's going on with me, so I'm a little bit exhausted, but I think I'm gonna go to Kohl's. Hey guys, I made it to Kohl's. I was gonna like vlog driving like I normally do, but first of all, I'm driving my mom's car and her dashboard is like way different than mine, and my camera will just like slide all over. Second of all, the sun is still out shining brighter than it needs to be. Like I don't know why. I feel so nauseous. But yeah, the sun is over there, so bright, just was in my face the entire drive. I was literally like driving like this. But I'm at Kohl's. I'm gonna try to find that face wash for myself. I'm hoping they have it. They might not. And then I also am gonna look for a cologne for Leo, my boyfriend. My mom doesn't know what to get him for Christmas, so I was like, let me just go pick out a cologne. If there isn't a good one, or like I can't find one that I think he'll like, then I'm just probably gonna get him like a gift card because they sell gift cards at Kohl's. Yeah, that'll be my mom's present to him. And then also my mom needs like little Christmas bows, so there's just a few little things I need to get, and then I think I'm gonna pick up a pizza on the way home for me and my mom. Yeah, I kind of feel like shit, I'm not gonna lie. Like I feel very exhausted. I think it's just my period. Like my period has been just like hitting me the last like 2 or 3 months. Like when I get my period, it's just like I'm on my period. I used to really not get affected by my period, and I just felt normal, honestly. The last couple of times I've been dying, I've been ill. This piece of hair came undone. Like the wax is no longer waxing. I literally had a dream last night that I was getting stabbed in the stomach by somebody that I know. Like it's someone I know, but I had a dream that they were stabbing me in the stomach, and I could like feel the pain in my dream. And then when I woke up and thought about it, I was like, oh my god, I wonder if my brain like knew my stomach hurt and like I was having cramps and stuff, so like this dream like manifested into me getting stabbed. Super crazy, but I'm pretty sure that's what happened. We're here. Okay, I see wrapping paper, but I don't see bows. I see bows. I don't know if I like the blue and gold. Yay! Is that the cocoa melon kid? That thing is scary. I kind of want a basket. Oh. Why is this the basket that they have? Why don't they have a normal basket? I feel like one of those kids with like a rolling backpack, which I totally was in like 2nd grade. I don't want to roll it. It's embarrassing. I've been kind of wanting to try out this, the Inky List Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Might get this. Y'all, I was legitimately in there for so long. The sun is like down now, so I don't have to complain about the sun blinding me. I got my mom those bows that she wanted. I just got like red, white, and silver. And then from Sephora, guys, the reason it took me so long is because I could not decide what cologne to get for... I hate seeing people I know. I could not decide what cologne to get. Like, I just couldn't decide. There was too many options. They all smelled so good. And then I finally make my decision, right? And I'm like, okay, I'll just take the smallest size because this is a gift from my mom. She doesn't need to spend like $130 on my boyfriend. Like, no, not necessary. So then she went to check to see if they had the small version of the one that I wanted. They didn't have it. It was sold out. And then I found another one that I liked. Same thing. They just had the 6-ounce one and it was like $130. And I loved the way it smelled. And I was like, honestly, like, I'll just like split it, or like she probably wouldn't even care like spending that much because it's like a nice ass cologne. It was like some Versace one, but my only worry is that he's not gonna like absolutely love it, and then he has like 6.7 ounces of a cologne he doesn't like that was $130. So it's great to like give somebody the small version so that they can see if they like it. So I ended up going with this one. I've never heard of it. I honestly don't know if he's gonna like it. It was like very either he's gonna love it or he's gonna hate it type of thing, but I guess we'll see. It was 20% off too. And then I also got this. They didn't have the face wash that I wanted. It was like the Olivia Somerville sulfur cleanser that I wanted, and they have it in stock at our other Sephora out by the mall, but I don't want to drive out there, so I'm not going to today. But I did get this Inky List hyaluronic acid serum. My face has been really dry and I'm hoping that this can help me out. I just called and ordered a pizza and they said 10 to 15 minutes, so I guess I'm just gonna drive over there. It's like 5 minutes away from here. It's really close. Not even 5 minutes, probably like 3 minutes away. It's like right over there. And then I guess I'll just wait in the parking lot until it's ready, and then I'll go back to my mom's house. They haven't called me about my car or anything, so I assume that means that they're gonna be working on it until tomorrow, which kind of sucks because I don't know, I hate not having a car. I don't really know if there's anything I need to do tomorrow during the day, but if there is, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna have to make Noah drive me around and be my chauffeur. Okay, it's literally dark, but I got the pizza. We just got Little Caesars. I haven't had Little Caesars in a while, and I really want crazy bread. I'm honestly so freaking hungry. I just had breakfast today and it's like 5 p.m. and I just haven't eaten again, and I'm so hungry. I'm about to bust down a breadstick on the way home, and then I'll eat pizza when I get home. Hey guys, I got home and...
No! I'm out. And I look like absolute dick.
Okay, I got home, we ate pizza, and we have the cookie stuff out. My brother and mom made some of the cookies, but there's still like half of them left. Here are the ones.
Wow.
Is it gonna dry? They made some of the cookies and Leo's coming over and we're gonna decorate the rest of them. But I'm making a salad right now. I forgot what I was doing. Open it again. Dude, why is she always crying?
I don't know.
I ate pizza, but I'm craving something healthy because I feel like doo-doo. So hopefully this salad does something good. Is there a ranch that's open? I feel like I'm having a heart attack. Okay, I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna make cookies. I'm not even gonna like try to like make excuses or say anything. I'm very aware that this vlogmas video was probably not my best one. I'm in like the thick of it right now. It's like the middle of it, and it's been a lot, and I'm not even gonna lie, like this has to be up in the morning and it's 12:30 a.m. and I haven't even edited it. Like it's just a lot. I don't want to make excuses because like I know you guys understand like it's a lot, and you guys keep telling me like take breaks, and it's like it's okay, like whatever. I just don't want to let you guys down, and like even above that I don't want to let myself down because like when I commit to something I want to make sure that I do it. So sorry this video was not great. I fully intended on getting more footage like later in the night, I guess, like making cookies and stuff. Leo ended up coming over, we ate our pizza, I don't know, we just like hung out, listened to Christmas music and made the cookies, and I'm not gonna lie, I was in a terrible mood. Like I was trying to be in a good mood because like, oh, we're making Christmas cookies, like I'm with my boyfriend, my mom, like it should have been like a really great time, and it was a good time. I just was kind of in a shitty mood. I'm on my period. I was dealing with like cramps. I was tired. I was just like not in the mood. So I didn't film anything just because like it just feels so, I don't know, disingenuous to like turn my camera on. I mean, I guess I can turn my camera on and like be real, which is what I usually do. But in the setting of like me and my boyfriend making cookies, I would have to like put on this like, okay, we're making cookies. Like, you know what I mean? Like I just didn't want to have to do that, and I was just not feeling it. So I didn't get any footage. But this video has to go up tomorrow, so I I guess I'm just gonna edit it with what I have and see what I can make out of it. I love you guys. I'm sorry that this was not my best work. It's okay. It's okay. Despite it not being great, thank you so much for watching. If you're still watching at this point, I seriously love you guys. If you guys are still watching at this point, comment the Santa emoji just because I want to know who's still watching. You know what I mean?